Good morning, traders. Matt Weller here, Global Head of Research with FOREX.com. Today is Friday, the 21st of August, 2026, and thank goodness it's Friday. It has been a very volatile week for markets. In today's video, I'll break down everything that you need to know ahead of the final trading day of the week. Let's get right into it. Broadly speaking, we see major markets consolidating with relatively minor, maybe slight risk-on moves. The big development yesterday was that Treasury Secretary Bessent said that the Treasury Buyback program that he initiated this week could be more than the $4 billion outlined, sort of digging his heels in here in an effort to try to hold down long-term interest rates. Even at $4 billion, that's really more signal than substance. The US Treasury bond market's about a $30 trillion market, so it's not something that directly moves the needle, but the fact that he's already talking about further increasing this program is a strong signal here about what the US government will do. And as a result, we've seen the yield curve steepening here. This might be something that allows new Fed Chairman Kevin Warsh to hold off on raising interest rates for a bit longer, but we have seen longer-term interest rates still under pressure despite this new buyback on concerns of long-term inflation. More on the key chart that's influencing on momentarily. We did have some traditional economic data today. The Eurozone composite PMI came in better than expected, that despite slightly weaker readings out of the two largest Eurozone economies, Germany and France. That is actually the 9-month high for this sort of real-time measure of economic activity in the Eurozone, so a bit of a positive sign there. Separately, the UK PMI survey also came in better than expected. We'll get the US version at 9:45 Eastern Time. Today's chart of the day is sort of the other side of the coin from what we talked about yesterday. Yesterday, we highlighted the big rally we've seen in gold. Now we're looking at Bitcoin here on a daily basis. You can see that the moves have been extreme this week, with Bitcoin rising more than 20% on the week here. A lot of this is sparked by some of those fiscal concerns and the fact that the US government is reacting to them. In terms of the technical levels to watch, we are testing the 78.6% Fibonacci retracement of the drop we saw from May to early July. That level comes in around 77,500. Above that, we'll be looking at the 80,000 level, which is significant, primarily just because it's a round psychological sort of anchor point. And then above that, the highest price that we've seen this summer is closer to 82,500. Of course, after such a big rally here in just 3 days, a bit of a pause here or a pullback wouldn't be surprising. We can see the 14-day RSI is deeply in overbought territory. Nonetheless, here, this does look like something that will continue to shore up Bitcoin over the long term and could help cement a longer term bottom. So I'm generally going to be biased to the top side here on this cryptocurrency. That is today's video. Thank you for watching today and throughout this week. If I can ask just one favor though before you close us out, please do drop a like on this video. It's a free way to show your support that helps us with the algorithms. And if you're not already, please do subscribe to our YouTube channel at FOREX.com for more videos like this. Thanks again and have a great weekend.